popular song like that. And we threw you guys off because you guys could tell that we were badass motherfucking gangsters, am I right? You guys actually believe that, and you know us. I know you're lying to me. You guys know we're three fucking hardcore rock bands from the other side of the world, man. You know that, right? Yeah! So if we do some old school fucking AC/DC, man, you guys want to sing it? If you make enough noise, you know I'm fucking coming out and gonna sing it with you, man. You ready? Well, when you're ready, here we go. Loud as we can, man. See me hanging out of the sunset on your TV screen. Wrapped around it, I can't get, if you know what I mean. I gotta run to the left of me, one to the right. Ain't got no guns, ain't got no knife, but don't give sign of a go when you ready. 'Cause I'm dying on my sin. Now when I'm right, well, the power low. Watch it. Alright, you guys wanna fucking do this? You guys wanna sing with me? I'm dirty, man, mighty unclean. I'm wanting man. Probably get a man number one. You understand? So I come you down, I come you wide, I come you back to one. The man is backing down, yeah. Don't you mess me around, right, quite right. Cause I'm died on my sin. I win the fight. I'm a power load. Watch it. You guys sound fucking great, man.